Hi there, people of the interweb. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. We're on a journey to 2,000 God subscribers. See God. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video, woof, woof. We're going to be talking about the obsession with long hair of the natural hair community, or the natural hair community's obsession with long hair. So without further ado, you know what we do. Let us get right into the video. Disclaimer, guys. First thing is, I really don't have the strength to bash anybody or bash any brand on the internet. I mentioned a few brands I've already bashed before, but it's nothing new. I don't have the strength. I'm tired. I can't go lamb. I really can't deal. My next disclaimer is, to me, when I talk about long hair, I'm talking about hair over 15 inches. So in Nigeria, long hair can go from my hair 12 inches to wherever it stops. But to me, I'm talking about hair that is 15 inches, because many people tell me, oh, your hair is medium length. So I assume that my hair is medium length. So from hair over 15 inches, that's what I call long hair. So if you have hair that is 14.5 inches, you are almost at the border of what I call long hair, okay? Right on, hold on for 1 month, you retain 0.5 inches and on the long hair scale of preference, okay? My next disclaimer is, I'm very beautiful, so you might get really distracted from like this beauty. Please try to focus on what I'm saying. Not this beauty is very, like, yes, this is wow, what a wow, like, this is very beautiful. So please try to focus on what I'm saying rather than this beauty, okay? My next thing is, this video is requested by one of my baby girls, Sophia Ali. She even gave me some talking points, so shout out to Sophs, okay? Another thing I would like to say, I think that should be all. If I think of any other thing, I would say it down here. So I'm going to share my opinion from like my Nigerian natural hair community perspective. I'm a natural hair content creator based in Nigeria, living in Nigeria. You know that I'm Black, British, and I'm Jamaican. I'm mixed. So I don't ask me my accent is. My accent is somewhere in the house, okay? For real, I'm actually mixed, Black, British, and Jamaican, okay? See my father, this is my father looking at me. I feel girl. Okay, so the first thing is, all the races in the world, that's everybody, African, American, dark skin, black skin, white skin, yellow skin, pink skin, everything. We the ones with melanin in our skin, we the dark skin people are the ones most obsessed with length. You would almost not catch an Indian person, and we're so obsessed with edges. You almost not catch an Indian person doing how to grow your edges 2020 edition. By the way, I have an edges video here. How to grow your edges. Yeah. We are so obsessed with length. We are so obsessed with long hair. We are always, our eyes just go, oh, when we see long hair. We're always so surprised. We're always so shook. We're always so wow when we see long hair. We are so obsessed with long hair and edges. Like, we talk more about edges and talk about world peace. Like, we talk more about edges, like front hair, hairline, when I talk about edges, which is very crazy. By the way, my edges are really straight today, okay? You see what I'm trying to tell you? We're talking about my edges rather than talking about other person issues, but it's what it is. It's not like it's a bad thing, like, oh no, but I'm just saying these are like my own points. So, and hair growth videos, how to grow long hair videos too, really, but I have a how to grow long hair video. It's embarrassing for me. Shameless vlog, 2020 year of being shameless, okay? So we talk more about how to grow long hair, These videos can get you from anywhere between hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, and even hundreds of thousands and millions of views. No jokes. Like, all you need to do is have a very good thumbnail and SEO, and your videos will blow up for length or how to go long hair videos. No jokes. So from my Nigerian natural hair content creator perspective, this is like natural hair community, not only the Nigerian natural hair community, like even the international ones. Things that recently, like, everyone is now an influencer. I really don't care if everyone is an influencer. I really can't deal. Like, it's not my concern. Do you, boo? Do you? Obviously, that there's this trend of people having hair that they've been going for like 6-7 years, having hair like down their backs, like bra strap, below bra strap, and everything. And what they do is immediately, like, the thing is, once you have long hair, what comes next? You become an influencer. There's no other thing about it. It's just, you become automatic. All you need to do is get phone, subscribe 1 gig, and you're an influencer. Like, there's no other thing. Like, even if you have care for hair, you don't care for hair. It's not like, it's not your concern. Cash out. We always want to cash out on what my friend Sophia calls #long hair privilege. It's a privilege to have long hair. Like, privilege meeting you. It's a privilege for you to have long hair. We shake on that, okay? So automatically, so you need is a good phone and have hair that is down your bra strap, and you're automatically an influencer, which I really don't understand, but it's what it is these days. I've seen like a couple of people, international, local, foreign, internationally local, internationally foreign, and it just has me shook. But then I see, you know what, that once you start something, not necessarily like you don't necessarily have to start any influencing because of passion. You might start because of money. Yeah, money must be made. But when you just see it, this is what makes me think that influencing and content creation are two different things. Because when you see the content that they put out, and they have put hashtag content creator in their bio or in their blah blah, but when they ask, oh, hi, can I get to know you? Like, I'm a content creator. So I was saying, so they will start saying they're content creators. Call yourself whatever you want to call yourself. I really can. I really don't care. But you know what? The moment you start seeing their content is more on the repetitive side. They keep on repeating the same pictures with exaggerated like length checks, comparison pictures. Yeah, my most liked picture on Instagram is a comparison picture. My second most liked picture is actually like a comparison. My third is even a comparison picture. So maybe I'm even calling out myself in this video, okay? So don't look at me anyhow. Don't look at me with the side eye. I'm just saying my own truth, okay? So comparison pictures, repeated pictures, the same length check, every picture is a length check. Then once in a while DIYs. So these people now carry their, oh, I'm an Instagram content creator and I've pulled off like 4, 5, 6K followers, 7, 10,000 followers in like 3 months because I have long hair. They now bring it to the YouTube community. People leave Instagram and enter YouTube and TikTok and areas like that. So on YouTube, you'll now start seeing thumbnails with the same pictures, with the same hair down to your waist. How to grow long hair. Hair down to your waist. How are you able to grow long hair? Hair down to your waist. How do I use aloe vera to grow long hair? There's a specific person that, she's not even a Nigerian, she's an international influencer. All her videos are aloe vera videos. And I was actually like, when I saw the first one, I'm like, oh, maybe it's what she used. But it just gets really annoying. I don't know about you anywhere. I'm like, what? Why? You are more than, you can do more than this. You have very beautiful hair. You can actually create more content than this. But this is just very... So, you know, many of them that don't go the influencer route, many of them that don't go the YouTuber content creator route, we follow the influencer route and now drop at brand owner junction, brand owner bus stop. So they will start off their brands. Imagine someone that's been growing her hair for like 8-9 years with hair like to like her waist. I want to start brand and start saying that I'm using my products for the past 8 or 9 years. So I'm using Jamaican black castor oil for like 8 or 9 years, and I'm like, baby girl, you didn't talk about Jamaican black castor oil max like 5 years ago. So why are you trying to cash out on this idea of your long hair privilege? If you have privilege, my dear, make use of this. But I'm not trying to like everyone making use of their privilege. I'm just saying. See people saying that I use strictly my brand to grow my hair. I didn't use any other brand in my hair. Keep it natural for like 4 years. You said that you definitely started doing all these your DIY things like last year, and you said you're using your brand all your life, but you used to do product reviews since like 2013. So it just makes it give them like the side eye, like, are you kidding me? Yes, there are genuine people that actually like using their brand to go there. I'm not saying that they are not, but on the average, every person that has hair down her waist cannot tell me that they use only DIYs. Okay, there's some few people of there are always exceptions to the rule, but the rule is you can't say use only aloe vera to grow your hair down your waist. No, girl, don't lie. Or there are some that say they only use to do a and shea butter. Y'all are special, but no, girl, no. So many of them try to use the brand owner they broke out brand owner junction. So they start of their natural hair product line, safe. I grew my hair with blah blah blah. So they don't know they can become the influencer and the face of their own brand. That's a good idea. Like you save money. Like if I start a brand now, I'm going to be my own influencer. I'm going to be my own brand owner. I'm going to be the face. I'm going to be the cover. I'm going to be everything. But that's also, I'm just stating the obvious as per Captain Obvious, okay? So many of them decide to do this, and even though I don't do the brand owner things, wait and down capitalize on the whole DIY things for YouTube and for social media in general. If you really want to like, and this is like a very popping thing, is what you do is if you have really long hair, I'm giving you guys some tips now. I'm trying to become an influencer. This is Cash Express. Have long hair like 15 inches, 20 inches. You don't have to do anything again. Just be making DIY. Whether it's DIY on your hair, you don't do DIY. You're just making DIY videos. I'm noticing in the natural community, like people that will come and all you need is DIY videos and long hair equal DIY videos plus long hair equals to views, clicks, likes, deals, money. I've noticed it's a lot. It doesn't matter. Imagine someone dropping a DIY video every 3 days. Like legit. Imagine dropping a DIY video every 3 days for that's 10 DIYs a month. Are you telling me that the 10 DIYs like you actually film videos in real time? Let's say not like you feel bad. So let's say every month you drop like 7 DIY videos. 7 days in a month. How many times are you washing your hair? How many times are you doing everything? But it's just the idea of I have long hair. People want to see how to do it, get it cheap. So I'll do DIY videos and then people will click and I'll get all that stuff. That's also another branch. That's another talking point. So people now stop listening to influencers that have like medium length hair, like your homegirl here, even though I think my hair is long, okay? So start listening to people that have like 12 inches, 20 inches length of hair, because they're like, if you knew what she was saying, her hair will be 20 inches. If you knew what she was saying, if you knew what she was saying, this person knows what she's saying. That's her hair is 20 inches. But I'm like, this person will go in her hair all her life. That's another topic for another video. So brands will now capitalize on this thing, the long hair people, like brand owners. You see people like Benny Harlem starting a brand line, charging $1,000 for products that will last you for 18 months and constantly getting sold out, because people want long hair. People are obsessed with long hair. So it's cashing out on our long hair wants and needs, our long hair obsession, our long hair desire, our long hair lust. So you see brands capitalizing on it. They'll send products to people that have really long hair and say, oh, let's do a campaign shoot with you, blah, blah, blah. The person will repost, do this and do that. And the influencers that always do this DIY thing that pisses me off. This one is not even, it pisses me off. So many of these influencers usually have 3A, 3B, 3C, 4A, but it's always be sisters with 4B and 4C that are usually going to watch their videos and commenting hashtag goals. We always ask them that if our hair grows longer than this, so our hair will become 3A, 3B, or 3C, or 4A. No, because you're still stuck on the 4B, 4C level. Girl, okay? Your curls will become loser, but you're not going to go past 4A. 3, you're not entering any 3. So these people will now start, these 3A, 3B, 3C influencers will now start making videos of how they grow their hair with shea, how they grow their hair with rice water. Every week, this week rice water, next week shea, next week calorie, next week glycerin. And they are sending the idea to us, the dark skinned baby girls. Usually like lighter skinned. Some of them are like mixed, but not mixed towards darker skinned complexion. I mixed towards the lighter skin. So like the curls are looser, like who looks like 3A, 3B. And I even telling the idea of I just want to go right. So and now their comment section, usually be the dark ones. I always commenting goals. I want watching the videos, giving them videos, which I see like it pisses me off, to be very honest, because we are lusting over something that is will never even be ours. Our hair will never look like that, and our hair is beautiful like this. Like, have you seen my hair? Like, no. Let's take a break. Have you seen my hair? You're both looking at it now. They're like, why is this one making noise? Well, it's true. The hair is cute also. Stop it. Stop looking at me like that, okay? My last talking point is many reach the length they want, many reach like waist length and everything, and we chop it all off. It's the truth. Like when people tell me, Ukachi, if I have your hair, I'll be doing every style. I'm looking at this one, I look at this one. Maybe to do twist is not doing me, to do braids, to do pen work set is not doing me. So if I have your hair, I'll be doing twist out today, doing it. Shut up! So any of them reach the length that they want, and they end up cutting everything off. You've seen people like Whitney of Natural 85, she cut her hair like a few weeks ago. Like she cut off about 13 inches of her hair. My hair is 13 inches. Imagine me going bald. That's what she did. And she looks way more beautiful. Like the long hair made her look older than what she looks like now. She looks so young, so beautiful. Like I know like nobody can be as beautiful as I am, but she looks extremely. I'm like, what a wow. So just such a dance there. Wow. That kind of thing. You see people like Chizuru that. Chizuru is like the ultimate natural influencer for me, because she really doesn't care for anybody. This week she's cutting, next week she's dying, next week she's doing blow dry, next week it's heat damage, next week every for being alive. She just let me shave hair on my hair, that kind of thing. So I'm not trying to say that long hair is bad. Long hair is bad. I love long hair. I want long hair. I even have a hair growth challenge. I have a hair growth challenge linked here. I also want long hair, and obviously I'm going to eventually lock my hair in the farthest future. Because near future I'll still be my parents' house. So in my father's future, I'm going to start from natural catching to locked catching. Yes, so there's only one natural catching, and it's natural catching, so move on. So I just want us to just stop obsessing over length. Like stop obsessing this influencers that have short hair or that have medium length hair and everything. And some of us actually have points to. Some of us actually do research. Some of us actually like in love with hair and hair care. Listen to us, please. Let's stop obsessing over what's name. You know who you're investing your coins in. Some that have really long hair telling they use only their brand to go there. Some of them might be lying to you. Invest your coins in quality, invest your coins in people that you trust. It's really in Nigerian natural community, I notice this thing. People that have long hair start always automatically, most of them automatically start like natural hairlines. Foreign people, and the natural, the owner doesn't have long hair. Main choice, she doesn't really have long hair like that. What's the other one? TGIN. No, she doesn't have long hair. So, but it's very nice. I noticed that for my Nigerian natural community. So I'm not saying I'm long hair, but I mean if I want long hair, I want to down my waist. It's the truth. It's the truth. Anyway, we all want it. We all obsessed. Set our fashion continue in 2020. Okay. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two. I hope it was entertaining enough for you. If it was, tell me in the comment section something that I said that had you shook to your core. Follow me across all social media platforms. Natural Ukachi. I'm Natural Ukachi everywhere except TikTok. I am the Natural Ukachi on TikTok. Okay. Follow me. Subscribe. On the journey to 2K subs. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.